Hey, we just swapped out the BAS disassembly hanger. Y'all come with me, let me show you what we brought in the shop. This week in the BAS disassembly hanger, we have our second Eurocopter of 2025. Now this is an AS350 B2. We're gonna get lots of goodies off this helicopter. The Honeywell LTS 101-200D engine, the cabin doors, the horizontal stabilizer, the main rotor hub, the skids, the seats, all the gauges and indicators, the control components, the LED beacon, and lots more. If you have Eurocopter needs, now's the time to call. Also this week in the BAS disassembly hangar, we have the Cessna 210. Now this is a T210L, which makes it a 1976 model. This aircraft ran out of fuel, had a hard landing. It did have a prop strike, and the nose gear is lost in the wilderness somewhere. But we're gonna get everything else off of this aircraft. The Continental TSIO 520H engine. It's got a great Garmin suite of avionics, a GTN 650 GPS, a G500 system, a GNC 255A, a GTX 345, and a GMA 340. We're gonna get seats and interior components. The right and left hand control wheels. We're gonna get the main gear assembly and components, wheels and brakes, the cabin doors, the baggage doors and all the components, the upper and lower cowling, the rudder, the flaps, the aileron, and the wings. If you have T210 needs, call us now. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also this week in the BAS disassembly hangar, we have this Piper PA-31T Cheyenne. Now this is a special aircraft. We actually bought a whole fleet of this airplane many years ago, and we've slowly cycled them through the disassembly process. Now this particular aircraft is one of the last of the fleet. The engine, the avionics, most of the interior components are already sold. We're getting a few things off of this aircraft before it heads to the recycler. We're gonna get the nose gear and the main gear and all the components, the engine mount, the seats, and the upper and lower cowling. Now, the keyboard warriors lost their mind when they saw us cutting the wings off of this aircraft. But there's a million little factors they just don't understand, and most of this aluminum is going to go to the recycler and not back into the aviation fleet somewhere. If you have PA-31T needs, we have lots of Piper parts on the store, and we'll get the handful of things off this aircraft and listed very, very soon.